Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today is Saturday morning. So we ended the week yesterday, and let me see if I have it open. Yes. So this is the first trade, Aussie yen from 7-minute chart. Buy orders right there, and you can see it was on the 12th, and beautiful long entry here, and for 105 pip, right? And this was also taken by the EA, my expert advisor robot, automatic trading robot, and all the trades are taken by this EA now. All right, so I do my analysis, and then whatever the direction that I think that is going, and in that particular direction, I put my EA on, and when the setup is ready, EA automatically takes the trade. So that's what happens. Next trade on the 12th, USD yen. Also, see this little arrow that shows that EA is the one that took this trade. This was on the 12th, taken, and then all the way to 185 pip. And this is pound yen. See, when yen index, yen itself gets weaker or stronger, right? All yen pair move at the same time. That's how you know. So that's why I watch. In my analysis, I have a yen index as well, right? And I watch that, a US dollar index, yen index, Aussie index, pound index, euro index. I watch all those individual indexes as well. So this is ADP. On the 12th, the next on the 12th is CAD yen. Like I said, that all yen pair went up. Beautiful long entry here for 70 pip. And euro yen, see, all yen pair. And for 65 pips, some more, some less, but yeah, they all went. Now, this is gold going to the upside on the 12th, taken by the EA buy orders right there, 230 pip. This one here, pound Aussie going to the upside, beautiful by the book entry, right? This was the entry too, but you know the price never touched this yellow, so this the trade never got activated. So you know one of the conditions is that the price must come in at least touching the yellow line. And that's how it is. And this was a Euro USD. This is the entry was, you can see here, this was last week before that, right? Thursday or Friday, and but this thing moves very, very slow. The daily range is very pathetic. And so I said, let it go for a couple of days and see what happens. So this one, instead of closing the same day, I let it go because in my analysis, Euro USD is supposed to be going down. So 1069 was the target, and it went straight up to that for 200 pip. And this one is Nasdaq going to the upside. Beautiful entry here. Not much, you know, but it's 170 pip. But the setup was a good one. I should have taken this one or this one for the big move, which I missed. So on the 12th, a lot of activities on the 12th. On the 12th, pound yen again going to the upside from here. Beautiful entry and trade, 120 pip from the 20-minute chart. This one, and this is gold going to the upside on the 13th, the next day. Buy orders right there at 270 pip. This is the beautiful entry here. Not as, you know, it's like by the book, that would be this one. But, you know, this, my EA opened this one anyway. So this went up all the way to 270 pip on the 13th. On the 13th, Aussie yen again, beautiful by the book entry for 170 pip. On the 13th, Nasdaq, big move to the upside, retrace, and this is the one that I just showed you. And it went up all the way to 440 pip. This one, see pound USD entry is right there, and then started go 95 pip. This one also has a small daily range. Euro USD entry here, buy orders right there, 75 pip on the 13th. And on the 13th, Aussie yen, you can see it's from 7-minute chart. This is how it is. It's bearish. All of a sudden, you have a big move, retrace, give you the entry, and gone with the win, 70 pip. And this one, a gold going to the upside, entry is right there. It came very close to, you know, hit my, take me out at break even, but it went up again, 155 pip. This is pound yen. See, this was all bullish, right? And I took it to the upside, and after that, it dropped. Give me a short entry here. Yellow is below the black. That's one of the condition, must condition. So when that happened, this indicator all the way up. And EA opened the trade. This one, I think, is opened manually. And then this one here, you can see entry USD yen for 215 pip on the 14th. CAD yen, all yen pair now going down. So CAD yen opened the trade here. Robot opened the trade for 100 pip to the downside. More yen pair to the downside. No. Gold from 200 box size, beautiful entry. The entry was this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, right? It's a lot of entries. And for 275 pip on the 14th. On the 15th, euro yen, it came down and then beautiful entry. It made on the 200 box, 20-minute chart. And from here to here, 135 pip. Right? The target was to the downside, 62.42, but the other trade took it. Now, pound Aussie going to the upside for 135 pip, and it is from 7-minute chart, by the way, right? So beautiful entry there, and buy orders right there on the 15th. And on the 15th, Aussie yen, 125 pip, entry is right there. And this one, Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart, 90 pip, it was bearish, became bullish. Yellow is above the black. This indicate all the way down, and boom. EA opened the trade for 90 pip. I close. Pound yen, this one is small trade, right? Because the daily range wasn't there, or maybe the news was about to come out. So all these targets reached. I closed the trade mostly based on the daily range and where the entry is for the day. And you have to calculate that. If the entry is early and the pair has daily range of like 200, so you can hold on to it, or at least maybe 120, 130, 150, something like that. But you enter in late into the day, and daily range is maybe like 120, and the pair already has done 30, 40, then you have only 60, 70 pip shot. So this gold 200 from here dropped 140 pip on the 15th. On the 16th, gold, I think this is the same thing. No, it's a different one, right? So yeah, so maybe me and Omar both taking. So gold here, this is on the 15th, another one to the downside, and this one from 150 box size, the 16th. And now this one you can see is on 16th, big trade from all the way here, 430 pip. I'll make the gold video and explain how these trades were taken. And then finally, the last, today, on a Friday, when I made the gold chart, let me show you, if I have it here open, I don't know. Yeah, so see, this is the chart I made that, this from here, we're going to bounce on 16th Friday, and it did. So we are already here right now, right? So that's the entry from there, from this chart. This is the entry and then gone, and I close. Otherwise I wouldn't close if it wouldn't be Friday, but Friday I don't want to leave my trades open over the weekend. Anything can happen, right? Last week I got burned. So I said no, I'm gonna close it and take it the new week, new trade, right? So 170 this one. So this is it. All these maybe like 23, 24 trades, something like that. So this is how the system is, and this is how my robot is working, right? And robot is the one that make me take all these trades. Basically, manually, it is almost impossible to trade. Look all these charts all the time and then take it. No. So what I do is that I do my analysis on a 40-minute chart, for example, like this one, right? So it's supposed to come down. Okay. So then what I do is that I'm going to open my 7-minute chart and 20-minute chart. I have different computers, right? So what I do is I put my robot there, make it short only. So it's just going to drop. And if the setup is built, then the EA automatically opens the trade, automatically plays the SL. TP, I leave it open. There's an option, but I always leave it open, and then I do my calculation. Once the trade is open and going positive, then I do my calculation that what is the daily range and how far I'm from, and how much I have left to go, and then I record the chart first, and then I close the trade. All right, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys, and if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to do the trading, then you could go my website, creativetradingsystem.com. Everything is available there. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm going to make a video about gold. Yesterday, I made the chart. Gold is behaving good, moving good, very, very good. And another thing is that I finished one yesterday, and then maybe finishing a couple of more. So I have room for maybe 2 or 3 more one-on-one coaching. So if you are interested to learn every single thing about this business and this system and Elliott wave and harmonic pattern and all of that, for example, I show you that. Look, this is a chart I made showing there's a Nasdaq, right? So this is a blue is a pattern, harmonic pattern, and then there's a red, also a pattern, right? And the price was here. So the red pattern is finished here, 127, and then the other one is supposed to have 88%, but I said, well, let's go to the 78 first. Otherwise, it would be like a bad pattern, 50, 23 to 88. It's a bad pattern. So what happened to that? You see that? So we start to go here and then all the way. Butterfly pattern is finished, completed, but then we continue going to the upside, very close to finishing the bad pattern around this area. And then maybe Elliott wave also there, 1, 2, and this is wave 3, right? So wave 3 can end here, or maybe all the way to here. So let's see what happened. But that's how it is, that these things work, and if you know exactly how to do it, how to measure all these harmonic patterns, and what are the measurements, like this one and then this one, right? Different pattern has different measurement, and when you draw the fib, drawing fib is another a very important thing. So a lot of people, I see that they draw fib wrongly, and then they end up having a wrong analysis, right? So learning how to use the fib extension, expansion, and extension, all 3 style, so that you can measure the harmonic patterns properly, and this expansion for finding target in Elliott wave, right? And that's how I come up with my analysis. And 90% of the time, more than 90% of the time, my analysis are right on the dot. And for example, gold. Let me show you gold. I made what the heck? I made the chart, gold chart. First, let's say yesterday, I made this that is going to bounce. I had this big fib, 61% is right there. Then if you draw the fib from here to here, it is also 61% here, and then a daily high here. So I said, definitely we're going to go to the upside. And then for that, I ended up having on the 16th, this one. So I had to close it because it was Friday. Otherwise, it would be a big one, right? So Monday, I will get in again. Right, so that's how it is. And like I said, subscribe the YouTube channel as well, so that when I make the gold video and Nasdaq video, you will get it on time and do your analysis and set up the charts and all of that. And if you want to get the system, or like I said, that I have room for one-on-one, so if you want to sign up, go on my website and sign up and learn and become master of this business. Right, I'll make you master every single thing that this business has to offer. You will learn, and then you will, the trading will become like a walk in a park. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.